You ever notice your alarm clock only works when you don't need it? Like when it's a random Saturday.
That thing's going off at 6 a.m. sharp like it's got somewhere to be.
But the one day I've got a job interview or school final?
It's in a deep coma.
No sound, no vibration, just vibes. I swear, my alarm clock's got attitude. Some mornings it's like beep,
Beep, beep, wake up, champ.
and other days
It's like, nah, let's see him fail.
then I wake up late, heart racing.
Hair doing parkour.
And my phone's just sitting there like,
Missed alarm. Oh, really?
You had one job was literally to scream at me.
but the next morning when I've got nothing to do?
That thing's like, good morning, ray of sunshine.
No, not today, Satan. Let me sleep in peace. And yes, this is Jacob Billow VR.